Hi. Good morning. Good morning, baby. Good morning. It is decently early today, and we have a very exciting day ahead of us here. We're flying overseas to do van life internationally. If you don't know, we've been planning this trip for a little while now. We still gotta pack our bags. We gotta take a few trains, planes to get to our final destination. I think first we're gonna make some breakfast, and I think we're gonna take advantage of the kitchen inside the house. Got the ladies out here this morning, which we're gonna have to say bye to them for like 2 weeks, which is crazy. We got Scarlett out here. Scarlett?
Thank you.
And for Scarlett?
Thank you. Anyway, come with a flagel. Yes.
It is time to get started. Scarlett and I are actually going to pack separately, so that way we can give each other the van. We're doing one backpack. I'm also bringing a ton of camera gear, so we're gonna talk a little gear, do a little packing. So first up, I'm bringing these Vivo Barefoot boots. I've been wearing Vivo Barefoots for like pretty much the past year. They are absolutely incredible and will change your life, but they'll also ruin any other shoes for you. I'll actually be wearing these through the airport. We got socks and underwear. We got crampons and a nice rain jacket that fits over all my other stuff. We got the big puffer coat right here. Quarter zip up base layer, one pair of shorts, one pair of pants, and I'll be wearing these pants as well. A single t-shirt, one pair of long johns, and then 2 pairs of gloves. Okay, in terms of camera gear, this is my little camera bag right here. The drone, which is a DJI Mavic Mini. Scoot your boot. Okay, I guess Sasha's gonna unpack with us here. Over here we've got a lens, 24-70. 2.8 millimeter lens, and this is actually a new pickup. This is a 70-300 millimeter. I actually shot a few clips on this morning. This is our microphone that lives on the camera for the most part. Polar Pro ND filter. Got a few like little accessories. All my SD cards live in here. This is actually a full camera as well. This is also waterproof. And then the camera that you guys are looking through right now is the Sony ZV-E1 and the 16-35 millimeter G Master lens. We will be bringing a Joby Pod, which honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of these things. And then this Peak Design tripod. This thing is so cool. So I'll see if it's worth the hype. Hopefully that's okay. The other thing I will be bringing with us is my laptop, and that is all the camera stuff. This is all the clothes stuff. I also want to take this opportunity to talk about one more item that's loaded into my laptop that's going to take up absolutely no space in my bag, and thank the sponsor of today's video, Surfshark VPN. A VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network, is something you should always have, especially if you're traveling. A VPN works by encrypting your online data and helps secure your personal information when you're using public Wi-Fi networks, like at the airport, which can unfortunately be a goldmine for hackers. Since Scarlett and I will be using public Wi-Fi over the next few weeks as we travel, a VPN is really essential to make sure that we're protecting our online data whenever we access the internet. So after I have connected to Surfshark, it's time to browse. Surfshark VPN also has a whopping 3,200 plus servers in 100 different countries, which means you can use those servers to change your location virtually and access shows and media that wouldn't be available. You already know that I'm not trying to miss any Gilmore Girls while we travel abroad, and that show wouldn't be available where we're going. So I will be using this to stream Gilmore Girls from a US server while we travel overseas. With Surfshark VPN's 30-day money-back guarantee, there's literally no risk. You can also get an exclusive holiday deal and up to 6 additional months free if you use our code Scarlett and Seth at the link that's in the description box. Thank you to Surfshark for sponsoring this video and keeping our personal data protected online as we travel around in our van and this week overseas. Now that everything's ready to go and laid out, it's time to put it all in the bag. I wish we could pack these ladies. We're gonna start with the heaviest stuff down here at the bottom. Come on now. This will probably all get unpacked first thing tomorrow morning when we arrive in our vans. Also, if you're folding your clothes while you're traveling, you're doing it wrong. Rolls, baby, rolls. I almost forgot my little toiletries bag here. That's also coming with us, I guess. all packed up and ready to go here. I'm going to give Scarlett the van for a little bit so she can pack. And then we'll get the ladies situated.
I hate packing. This is why we live in a van, because I hate packing.
Alright, which lady are you packing? I feel like I always like just shove a bunch of crap in a bag in like half an hour, and Scarlett has a whole process. I mean, I would wear your big boots and store those on the outside of the bag. Okay.
Okay, I don't know. I don't know what else to do. I'm done.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. There it is.
Rolling saves a ton of space. When I had the packing cube in, it was like all the way to the top, and this isn't even half full.
Alright, one of the other things we're doing here is emptying out all our water. In the event that it freezes, we'll be covered just in case, so that we don't have any lines rupture or anything like that. It's really not supposed to get that cold, so we're not that worried about it. The van is very well insulated, so it really won't be a big deal, but just in case. Sasha is also obsessed with water. It's so cute. We got all the water emptied out of the van and set up. You can see we're at 22% right now, which hopefully we don't come back to a dead van, but it is what it is. Someone's excited. Someone is not as excited. We're gonna go ahead and take those ladies inside and get them all set up so that Scarlett's parents can watch them over the next 2 weeks while we're gone.
Twinkles.
Everyone go tell Lula she's perfect. Bye, little van.
Hi, little van. Oh, it's so weird without the ladies in here.
Yeah, it's so like quiet.
Alright.
Got it?
Hard to move around here. Bye, van.
Turn off all the lights. Make sure everything's shut down.
Ready?
Ready. We've made it to the terminal. That, I'm not gonna lie, that was like the most chaotic and stressful thing. So many people are traveling at this time of year. It's just, it was wild. It was out of pocket. So I'm like low-key stressed out right now, but I'm gonna do some work on my laptop. Also, in case you're wondering, I genuinely do use Surfshark VPN when joining networks like this, and I think it's very important to do so. Once again, our code for 6 free months of additional coverage through Surfshark VPN is Scarlett and Seth, and if you use the link down below, you can access that. Thank you to Surfshark once again for sponsoring this video. It's very cool to be able to recommend products that we actually use and get paid for it, and it goes a very long way in helping us make these videos. So shout out to them, shout out to all of you, and I hope you check it out because genuinely, it's incredible. Here we go.
Welcome to Iceland. The local time is 15 minutes past 6.
We made it. Welcome to Iceland. We're about to go try to catch a shuttle and pick up our rental van. Happy to be here. And yeah, I'm psyched. I'm psyched about the next couple weeks. Are you psyched?
Yeah, I'm a little out of it right now. It's basically like morning here, so we only flew for like 5.5 hours, but we're like 12 hours later.
Yeah. Next up, rental van. Definitely going to be an adventure. You ready?
I'm excited.
I'm so excited right now. I'm
Pulling
getting
up and
amped up.
seeing all the vans.
I know. As you can see, we picked up our van, took a little nap, and have been exploring for the rest of the day. It's only about 3:45 and the sun has already set, so we are working with very short days here. Next week, we'll give you a tour of the van that we rented and take you through a little bit more of winter van life in Iceland. We're so excited to bring you along for this journey over the next couple weeks, and we'll see you again on Friday.